just cleaning this machine. It's a Janome 2015A, so I think it's their special edition machine. It's been brought to me just because it was a little bit stiff. So it's been kept very well. I don't think it's been used very much. But that doesn't mean to say that it doesn't need a quick checking now and again, just to make sure that the oils are flowing. So all I'm going to do is, let's remove this foot. So it's just a snap-on foot. I'm going to lift that needle plate up. It's handy having a magnet. Let's remove the extension box, open front cover, remove the case. I'm going to flip these back and then just remove the housing. Okay, there's hardly any dust on there at all. There we go, shuttle. And that's it, there's nothing in there, no dirt. So if it's a little bit stiff, all it is it just probably needs a drop of fresh oil. So I'm just going to put a drop of oil in there. Just check the mechanism. And I'm just going to put a drop of oil where the moving part goes. So just along there. That's it. It feels smoother already. So it's just gone into that area there. Yeah, get it? Yeah. Feels like a lot. So if you get too much in there, just get a cloth and wipe it down a little bit. So just putting the housing back. So got our half moon there. Putting the shuttle back, the full moon, like that, and then I'm going to pop that in that way. Okay, and that's it, sits like that, and close these hinges over those pegs, and that's put back together. If your hook, so your take-up lever is all the way to the top, like that, you can put your bobbin case in. And it will snap its position like that. Okay. Just pop the needle plate back on. Just give it a quick wipe down. There's our 2 screws. And then just finish it off with a screwdriver. And you want that nice and tight so there's no gaps there for your thread to get trapped. There we go. And that's it, you're done.